This is Emma from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks Online makes it easy for you to collect all of your contractors' tax info required by the IRS. All you have to do is invite your contractors to fill out their profile and submit their W-9 in QuickBooks. To get started, go to the Payroll menu, then select Contractors. Note your navigation may look like this. To invite a new contractor, select Add a Contractor and enter their name and email address in the fields provided. QuickBooks will send an email to your contractor inviting them to complete their profile and submit their W-9 with a digital signature. Your contractor can sign in with their existing Intuit account or create a new one for free. They can use this account to share their W-9 tax info and download their year-end tax documents. We walk your contractor through the entire setup, step by step, making it super simple. Your contractor chooses whether they're an independent contractor or a business. They'll fill in the tax info you need and digitally sign their W-9. Then, they'll receive a confirmation that everything is all set. You're instantly notified by email when the contractor completes their profile. When you sign into QuickBooks, you'll see all your contractors' info added to their details, and a PDF of their e-signed W-9 under Documents, which you can view or download. You can see if your contractors completed their W-9 info here. If you like, you can even send your contractor a reminder at any time, or you can add the W-9 info yourself at any time. If you want to pay your contractors by direct deposit, this other video will show you how to set that up. That's it! Now you can pay your contractors and send their 1099s electronically at the end of the year.